kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Gaurav Gogoi ubalong nongilam kaseng Congress na Assam, but ubalong ru chairman jong ka screening committee, habaya kren bat kilat pathai kubor ha Congress bahawan Meghalaya, menta kasngi ka khat nyotarik ubnai kelaling kot arajar arpulai, uloong baga Jingïapynbeit pot Hapdeng ki arjala kamla aban long tang Hapdeng ki Myntri Rangbah, da kabaya syong haki jaka balong re ha New Delhi, namar ka Jingïapynbeit pot kamdai ka kam baki Yapynbeit yo pot usam haki yeng ki sem jongki. Handrai ka dei ka kampot kamsam jongki arjala la benrap u Gaurav. Ulo ongru baka jingle jongki neki Myntri Rangbah jongki arjala ka penpau ya jinglong sneu jongki klem da kintup yaki patba kamtam yaki basyong yaki benta balong kaput bat ki Yapynbeit yo uput kat baki mon. Shushu hagani ka sngi na kalyang jong ba Vincent H. Pala, President jong ka MPCC, haba benrap halor ka jingkren jong Gaurav, ulo ong baka long ka badai shisha, namar baki jaka kim day jong ka sorkar, henrai day jong ki rew shimet, bat ulo ongru baki brew ki basyong basa ah Assam ki don la ka jong ka rukom bat ki brew ki basa hapo Meghalaya, ki day ki bala kintup hapo ka 6 schedule, ne ki schedule tribes, kumta ka jingpen kalayo upur usam, kamlong ka basok. Hagani ka sngi na kalyang jong ba Ronnie V. Lingdo, ru ula penpau halor ka jingya kren, ban penkelaya ka soskular Yapynbeit put, ka bala pensngow ha Myntri Rangbah, da UMLA ka Ramrai constituency, ubadang syupenya so bat ka seng NPP, shita yaw hadin balaya soye ka soskular. Bat kani ka pausyay, ba amday tang kaseng Congress, handrai wat ki dekhot jong kaseng NPP ru, kila dawan o Myntri Rangbah, ban bishar biang ya ka soskular, Yapynbeit put, handrai amshim lale ya kani.
The Congress party was not founded by these two individuals. The Congress party existed much before these two individuals started their political career, before these two individuals were born, and the Congress party will continue to thrive much after these two individuals' political career comes to an end. So I don't understand the basis of your question. The Congress party is far much more than these two individuals, and to associate these two individuals with the rise or fall or the fortune of the Congress party, I think the question doesn't even have merit, because you very well know the legacy of the Congress party. Even in Meghalaya, you know the names of the stalwart Congress leaders in the history of Meghalaya as well. So again, I don't basically agree with the premise of your question.
What kind of
that Assam Chief Minister craves TRP, and if his name does not come in the newspaper regularly, he feels a sense of anxiety, and sometimes he might arm twist his neighboring chief ministers into signing something that they don't want, so that he gets his TRP to show that as NEDA chair he has managed to achieve something. I don't know whether this applies in this particular case, but I hear that often that is the case. So chief ministers of other states have to be strong and champion their own people and champion their own land, and not be arm twisted by those sitting in Dispur or those sitting in Delhi or Nagpur. Well, we might have not resolved the issue, but we did not have this level of bad blood and this level of distrust. We agreed to disagree. There were a strong chief ministers on both sides, and they always said that this matter needs to be resolved, and there was a very cordial atmosphere. Now, this sense that we are feeling now of bad blood, that did not exist, and I think that is quite detrimental, and that just shows the mismanagement of the boundary issue in Northeast India, which is so complex, and it is being treated so lightly, as I said, and by people sitting in Dispur and Delhi. Cannot be decided by two chief ministers sitting in a private room, because it affects the people living in those areas, and they have to be taken into confidence. So it is not their personal, they're not talking about the boundary between their homes. It is the boundary of two states, and I think it's quite I would say arrogant of them to think without taking the people on the ground into confidence that just by mere sitting of these two in some private room somewhere in Delhi or in a hotel Taj Vivanta in Guwahati, that they can just alter the boundary as they feel.
See, what Gaurav ji has also said is very correct, that the land does not belong to the government. The land belongs to a private party. It has lots of history. It has so many other things beyond that. Plus, people who live in Assam, they have got a different status. People who live in Meghalaya are all under the 6th schedule tribe, and most of them covered under certain rights and privileges. So changing the border is not very as easy. And I have Baroni as a spokesperson, so we like to say something here.
But regarding what you just said, whether the MOU will be reviewed or not, in fact, this demand has come from an MLA who has just joined the NPP 1 week after signing the MOU. The MLA from Rangbah had requested the Chief Minister that please review this MOU because a lot of our land has been lost to Assam. So, not only from the Congress, even from their own member who has joined the NPP recently has demanded. So it only shows that the MOU was signed without taking everyone into confidence, including their own, the MLAs who have joined their party. That only reiterates what the people have been saying, that this MOU has been signed, in a hurry without taking everyone into confidence, including all the stakeholders.